This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy avocado bread spread. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick snack or a light meal. You'll need just a few basic ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Grab a small bowl and a fork, and let's get started on this creamy delight. First, take your 2 ripe avocados. Carefully cut each one in half lengthwise and gently twist to separate the halves. Remove the large pit from the center of each half. Then, using a spoon, scoop all of that beautiful, creamy green flesh directly into your small mixing bowl. Now, grab your fork and mash the avocado thoroughly until it reaches a smooth, consistent texture. Now it's time to add some zing. Squeeze 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice directly into your mashed avocado. This not only brightens the flavor, but also helps keep your spread looking vibrant green. Next, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Use your fork to mix all of these ingredients together really well, ensuring everything is evenly combined and wonderfully creamy. Taste and adjust if needed. Your delicious homemade avocado bread spread is now ready to enjoy. This versatile spread is fantastic on warm, toasted bread, crispy crackers, or even a freshly baked bagel. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick, or some fresh cilantro for a burst of herby flavor. Serve it right away to savor its fresh, creamy goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.